Hi boys and girls. Today I'm going to go over our shapes. So this will include 2D shapes that are flat and 3D shapes that aren't flat. So you can use this video for days that somebody might not have as much time to help you, or parents, you can use this video to get an idea of how to go through these flashcards. But we will go ahead and get started. So here we go. So remember, say it right out loud once you know it. So what shape is that, do you think? This is a square. Can you say square? We know it's a square because it has 4 sides and all the sides are the same size. Good. How about this one? This one's a little bit trickier. You count the sides. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This shape is a hexagon. Can you say hexagon? Good job. Okay, let's try another one. What shape is that? That is a circle. Good job. Say circle. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. What shape is this? It's a rectangle. Can you say rectangle? We know it's a rectangle because it has 4 sides, kind of like a square, but they're not all the same size. You can tell that these top one and bottom ones are longer. Good job. How about this one? What shape is that? That's a triangle. Good job. Say triangle. Okay, here we go. Here's the next one. Now we're looking at our 3D shapes. This is a cylinder. Can you say cylinder? Good job. How about this one? I'll give you a hint. It's not called a party hat, although it kind of looks like one. This is a cone. Can you say cone? So if you look at a party hat, you'll know that party hats are actually the shape of a cone. Good job. What shape is this? This one you might want to call it a block, but it's not a block. It's actually called a cube. Can you say cube? Good job. So it's like a square, but it's 3D, like a block, but it's called a cube. Good job. What shape is this? It's kind of hard to tell because in the video it just kind of looks like a circle, but it's like a 3D circle. Think of it like a ball. This is called a sphere. Try saying sphere. Good. It might take a couple of times to say it right because it's a tricky word to say, but it's a lot of fun. But one more time, try saying it. Sphere. Good job. Alright, and those are all of our trimester 1 shapes. So good job. I'll talk to you all soon.